Hey, what's going on, y'all? Thank you for joining me on my daily vlog. Today we are here in the beautiful New York City late night. Just got done partying with all the homies and stuff. And what do you do? What do you do after you party? What do you do after you party? Eat. Yeah, we about to eat. We're not just gonna eat at any place. We're gonna go to the world famous Halal Guys, which is located on 6th and 53rd in New York City. And if you don't know about Halal Guys, it's street food, right? But it's also the best street food that you can get. It's I'm gonna get chicken over rice. Actually, I'm gonna do the combo. I'm gonna do the chicken and the lamb, and they cook it also damn well. It comes with like two pieces of breading with rice and lettuce, and then they got this really hot sauce, right? And I was telling the guys earlier that, man, their hot sauce is really hot. You know you're at the right one when the line is about long as shit. Pause, you know what I mean? And you got people eating out here. They just can't wait to eat. But I'm gonna show you the Halal Guys how long it is. So if you're ever in New York City and you want good street food, you come to Halal Guys. 6th and 53rd, right? Remember when Halal Guys didn't even have a truck covered in decal, man. They're coming up in the world. You know what I'm saying?
They're in Seattle now, baby.
They're in Seattle now. They're in Philadelphia. But you gotta come. But you gotta come to the original, which is right here in New York City, right near the Hilton. Actually, look. This is birthday.
Gang.
I wish Mary happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Last year I was booked on my birthday. I got booked for some dumb shit, but I'm here now. Yeah.
Gang, aka the drip god.
The drip. Riot squad.
So there's a long ass line here, but the line goes pretty fast. When you're a tourist in New York City, right? How can you know if a food cart is the right one? The line, that's the first indication is the line.
They'll skip those guys, but they go right here because this is the one.
The line is still crazy.
I like 10 dreams.
You could just smell the food just steaming.
Same old.
You got like multiple guys here. You got one guy like making the chicken, the other guy prepping the actual platter itself. I think I'm gonna go with chicken. I'm gonna do the combo. You doing the combo?
Was it lamb and chicken?
Yeah, I'm gonna do lamb and chicken with over rice.
I think that's what we
You can get a gyro too, you know what I mean, if you're into that. But they're just pumping out platter after platter after platter. You know what I mean? You got one guy taking your order, he's collecting the money too. Cannot wait to indulge, man. I am starving.
Chicken.
And each platter is $8. The sandwich is $6.
I don't want chicken unless they put steroids in it. Yeah.
Okay. That's why I couldn't figure out the word earlier. It's not bread, it's pita. Well, pita bread. So they make so much food that there's a station back here that also cooks their food too. I don't know if you noticed that. Back over there, there's another cart that doesn't take order, but it has like the Halal Guy branding on it. Yeah. But they don't take order. But they're actually making extra food for the cart over here. You know what I mean? Combo over rice. Yeah, man. Like, y'all know I love hot sauce. I love hot things, right? But their hot sauce is like really hot. Their hot sauce is hot, man. It's actually uncomfortable. You really have to do drips. You can't put too much hot sauce on there. And if I tell you that it's hot, man. This is like such a tease when you're standing right here and you get bathed in like the steam of the pita bread and the chicken and the lamb. I am starving.
I ain't got no more patience, man.
We're almost there, man. Patience is a virtue. There's only like, what, 4 people in front of us. Did y'all see that? Oh my God, look at that. Do me a favor and hit the subscribe button, alright? And make sure you hit that like button too. You know what I mean? Help a brother out. Help me pay some bills or something, you know? But this looks awful. So you gotta put the white sauce on there, and like I said, the hot sauce is really hot, like unbearable hot, alright? about to go in for a feasting. Can y'all see this? I'm gonna have to go back and get more sauce, but we got lamb and chicken over rice. Gotta get the white sauce. You know what I mean? Pita bread is mando, and that hot sauce, man. That hot sauce is painful, but it's gonna be good. Let's go and feast. I gotta sit down somewhere. Got people standing up. So here's the thing about eating here. You just gotta make way somewhere so you can eat, right? There's like no chairs or no nothing besides these fountains and over there, but it's all taken up. I would do it Cambo style and eating it standing up, but I wanted to eat this in front of y'all. Let's go over here. I'm gonna sit over there. This ain't the most ideal eating situation, but I'm gonna just make it work, all right? So we got the chicken in the white sauce over this yellow rice. We're just gonna dive in, all right? Off the hook, y'all. Let's try this hot sauce again. Yep. No.
It won't even do it.
Ooh, that hot sauce is sharp. Like there's no build-up or anything. That hurts. Eating like that hurts. This is kind of unfortunate. Remember when I told you they have an extra station to cook the food so they don't run out? Look. Like that's how much business they do. They have to cook it off-site. Amazing. Yo, I really have no place to set my freaking tray, man. Like I want to eat this so bad, I might have to just go back to the car and just put it right on the hood and eat it there. That's what we're gonna have to do, y'all. Isn't New York beautiful? Look behind me. Look at the backdrop, it's so beautiful. I thought that was Vaughn's car. I'm gonna have to do it like this, y'all. I think I found it, all right? So I had to place my camera on the hood. Well, we're gonna do this again, but because I was twisting my body and the food was trying to come down and it like hurts. You know, I don't know what they're saying, but I think my people call it stab. You know what I mean? That's what it felt like. But we're gonna do this again. We got the chicken. Banging. Let's try the lamb right here. Street food at its finest, y'all, New York City. Platter's only $8 too, so. We got the pita. You know what? That hot sauce isn't too bad because it hits you fast. It hits you fast and hard, but it don't stay long. But if you're not into hot sauce like that, I don't suggest trying it. Okay, you got the lettuce too. Thanks, bro. Like if you get the combo, you get the best of both worlds. You got the chicken and you got the lamb, you know what I mean? If you've never had lamb before, it's like a very rich flavor. It's more has more fat in it, but the fat with the rice just tastes off the hook. The chicken, the way they cook the chicken, they cook it down, then it becomes like pulled chicken in a way. Flavor you just gotta try, you know what I mean? See the lamb? Did y'all peep the video too when they had the pita on top of the actual chicken? So it absorbs all that chicken steam as it's cooking. Genius, man. I've been reading a lot about street vendors, hot dog vendors in New York City, especially near Times Square or even the Twin Towers. I heard they charging tourists like $20 a hot dog, $10 for a bottle of water. You know what I mean? They're ripping you off. So be careful of that. But if you ever come to New York City, look up Halal guys. You get consistent service, you get consistent food. They don't try to jip you or nothing, you know what I mean? Only thing is, like I said, you just gotta find a place to eat. Stand up or just sit on the floor. Yo, it's something about the way this pita is cooked. Banging. One more big bite, all right? I'm gonna finish the rest in silence. Another big bite in silence. I don't know why, the first time I tried their hot sauce, it was so hot. But now I can tolerate it. Just do a big bite of the chicken, rice, and the hot sauce. Dog, good morning, right there. Gonna do me a favor, I'm gonna finish this, but do me a favor, y'all. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Help a brother out. Spread the word, you know what I mean? Give me any recommendations in your city. So if you're from like Minnesota, tell me what places I must try, because you never know. I might go to Minnesota and need a place to go, and I'm gonna look at your comments, all right? So make sure you subscribe, leave a comment of the must-try food in your area for tourists like me. And yo, y'all just have a blessed night, or have a blessed day, you know what I mean? Make sure you eat great food, keep it positive. You know, I'm gonna see you on the next episode, all right? Peace.